Introducing the Tohnichi DOT430I-MD torque wrench tester, a revolutionary tool that will transform your torque calibration processes. With its cutting-edge features and precision engineering, this tester ensures accurate and efficient testing of your torque wrenches. The 430I-MD boasts a powerful motor-driven loader, enabling effortless and consistent loading of torque wrenches, streamlining your calibration workflow. Covering a broad torque range from 50 to 430 lbf. It accommodates various torque wrench capacities, making it a versatile solution for your calibration needs. The large 140 dial face provides clear and precise readings, allowing for accurate torque measurements. Designed to be set horizontally, the 430I-MD eliminates the need for weight correction, simplifying the calibration process even further. Featuring a rotating handle, this tester offers smooth and effortless calibration of torque wrenches. With its user-friendly design and convenient features, the 430I-MD is a game-changer in torque wrench calibration. Invest in the Tohnichi 430I-MD torque wrench tester and elevate your calibration processes to new heights. Experience the benefits of precise and efficient torque wrench calibration with this advanced tool.